Say hi to your fans around the world. Woohoo! Sino yung mga nag-champion? Taas kamay. Sino yung mga nag-medal? Hands up! Taas kamay! Palakpak! Woohoo! Lakpo.
Okay, turn. Face front, fix your lights. First line, one line. Okay, everybody do 2 steps back. Go. Anak, good. Fix your lights. First line.
Alright, today is Tuesday again here at KDA Alimon, so I'm inviting everyone to join our team. So we have a schedule on WF, 10:30 to 11:45, and Tuesday and Thursday we have 5:30 to 6:45 p.m. Alright, so learn the Olympic martial arts of Taekwondo. Join us, the winning team, PTS Taekwondo. Asa!
You say low block! Louder! Low block! Louder! Okay, make sure it's here in front of your knee. Okay? Okay, and then prepare again. Moving forward. Look at my hand. It should be right above. 1. Power. Check muna, low block. Okay, make sure naka-forward stance ha. Prepare. Left arm above. This time I shout na. 2. Forward stance, white belts. Last one. Prepare. Right arm above. And 3. Prepare. Left arm above. And then just turn at the back. And turn. Shout. Don't change your foot.
Left arm.
Just turn. Ready. Prepare. Follow my hands. Forward stance, smart. Think. Forward stance. Sige lang hand mo. And forward. 1. Shout. Power. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Power. Prepare. Turn. No block. 3 forward down. Ready. Prepare. 1. Power. Prepare. 2. White belts laging babalik sa prepare. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. No block. Prepare. 1. Prepare. 2. Power. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. No block. This time, high block naman. Everybody high block. Okay? High block. Forward stance. White belts po na naman tayo. Forward stance. Laki hand. Okay? High block. One fist here. Prepare. Okay? Here. Below naman magsa-start. Below. Change yours. And 1. Power. Prepare. Left arm below. Follow my hand. 2. Power. Prepare. Right arm below. Tama yun. Yan. 3. Prepare. Left arm below. Turn. High block. Power. Prepare. Right arm below. 1. Prepare. Left arm. Good. Prepare. Right arm. Set. Prepare. Left arm. Turn. Last one. Prepare. 1. Prepare. 2. Power. Prepare. 3. Turn. Prepare. Turn. Prepare. 1. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. Okay, middle block. Ready, everybody. Middle block. Forward stance pa rin. And then here. Okay, make sure it's shoulder level. One fist apart from your body. At isang kamay dito sa gilid. Okay, prepare. Right arm. Straight yung isang kamay. Straight. Okay, Iris. Elise. Isang kamay straight. Yan. And 1. Prepare. Left naman. 2. Power. Prepare. Aya, look here. Change foot. Divide. 3. Prepare. Turn. Now, prepare. 1. Alternate always. Prepare. 2. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. Prepare. Here naman. Last set. 1. Work. Prepare. 2. Follow the leader. Prepare. 3. Prepare. Turn. Prepare. Right. 1. Prepare. 2. Left. Prepare. Right. 3. Prepare. Left. Turn. Perfect. Prepare for 95. Turn mo lang.
You're on middle block.
That's straight.
You're still confused. Okay, get your partner. Face to face. Face to each other.
Uso. Pera. Kayo. Pera. Partner.
Okay, sit down. Thank you, sir.
Raven. Partner. Okay na naman sa
Correct.
tayo.
What's ready?
Partner. Kayo na lang.
Okay.
Very base. Partner.
Guys, it's the most important block sa self-defense. Okay? So, middle block, it will defend your body and face. Alright? So, you have to do it correctly. Okay? Okay, start with the right. A. See? Preparation. Like that. Make sure your fist facing side. Okay? So, when you block, alright? Oh, you follow them. And slow muna. Go. Slow. Yeah. Make sure this one, shoulder level. But sometimes, if somebody will punch you on the face, you have to block face level. But since we're practicing Humse, we're going to practice shoulder level now. Alright? So, other hand, left. And this one, not too high. Alright? It's like when you're swearing Banata Makabayan, di ba? Close. Like right? Then preparation, make it slow. Soft. No power. Ang power doon sa execution ng block. Alright? Relax and shot! Yeah. Louder. Kaya kayo. Relax and shot! Alright? So you will do it with your partner. Alright? Oh. Face to face. Let's go. Stay there. You count 50 times. Right and left. Open leg only. Open leg. Horse riding stance. So both of you right. You count loud, huh? When you block, you shout loud. Oh, you count. Open leg. Nice with power. With power. Power back. Good. Hands to the side. Again, power. That's it. Ano yun? Shake hands. Okay. This one. Okay. Correct. Kapalik. Steady arm. Okay. Apply. Middle block. palm, ha? Target the palm. Right hand, go. Not the wrist, ha? The palm only. You have to make it stop. Go. Now. Okay? Do not hit the wrist, only the palm. Alright? So you have to practice your muscle here. Alright? Alright first. Right. Right only 10 times. Ready? Ready, set. Out. Make it block the shot. Right hand only. Head left. Guys, make sure you keep the open leg, open hand. Open hand. Okay, you count. Now. Good, shout. Set. Hot. Net. Hot. Good. Set. Hot. Good. Set. Hot. Good. Go. Hot. Net. Hot. Hot. Good. Hot. Good. Hot. Net. Hot. Net. Hot. Good. Set. Hot. Set. Hot. Go. Hot. You did. Hot. Out. Hot. Good. Hot. Tapos na po, arm. Oh, ayaw pakita mo sa kanila. Paano yung lang? Go. Papalit. Go. Papalit. Okay. Hindi nyo mag-shot si Aya. Go. Go. Again. Go. Oh, what? With shouting. Parang kick. Again. Go. Louder. Go. Good. Ready. Go. Good. Go. Good. Ready. Go. 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 Oh, palakpak. Kicks. First line.
Move back. Ayan na, move back. Stay with your line.
First line.
First
Ready,
time.
stance. Ready, stretch kick 10 times stationary. Sample. Go, 10. Stationary. 1, 2. No. Fighting. Fighting form. Okay? 10 times, step forward. 6 times. Ready? Go! Okay, push up eh. First line, push up. Nakit! Misways talaga. Ay naku, parang mga... Nakit! 10 times, go! One sir!
1 sir, 2 sir, 3 sir, 4 sir, 5 sir, 6 sir, 7 sir,
Alert na!
9 sir.
Oh, ready, find stand shot!
Set!
Stationary 10. Ready, everything shout. Go!
Set!
Master! Atakan! Overhead! Let's go. Jump. Bus. Let's go. All blue belts na. All blue belts. All blue belts.
All blue belts. Okay, 5 lang.
Ready. Ready, 4. So dito guys. Ready, ready, start, shout. Okay, alternate, stretching, overhead, ha? Go! Taas, 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 taas. Down. Down. Back. Forward, go! All yellow belts, forward.
All yellow belts. Forward.
Ready, stance. Ready, right and left, a straight leg going up. Ready, right and left, go, Sasuke, go. Out. Go, sigaw, sigaw. Forward, go. Okay, ready, white belt, forward. Okay, raise your hand over your face level. Or you touch your head with your kick, huh? Right and left, 10 times. Ready, you count. Ready, go. Answer. Answer. Higher, right and left. Define, right and left. Right and left, yeah. Okay, forward, go. Overhead. Go, forward. Round up. Forward, forward. Okay. Space, 1 up, 1 down.
Ayon, forward.
Guys, back. Okay, ready? Fighting stance. Ready? In out kick, right and left. Going out. Ready? Go. Out.
Ay, nako.
Again. Push up again.
Ay, nako.
10 times. From left and right. Iwa. Babalik ka sa white belt eh. White belt pa lang, tinuturo na in out na yan. Brown belt na kayo. Ready, start, jump! Ready, go! In out. This girl also. Palabas, uy, ikaw.
Eric, in out.
Nakikinig. Higher. Go. Bagal. Last 10, go. Ay, naku.
Faster.
Bagal. Pass. Higher. Yeah, forward, go. Good. Guys, remember, you're the senior one. They look up to you. If you're lousy, they'll become lousy.
Blue belts, up.
Huh? Ready? Going out. Fighting style. Shot!
1 up and down.
1 up and
Line ka
down.
forward. Sabrina, ito na abante.
Ready? In out, ha? Face level. Ready? Go!
Go, in out.
Please.
Faster.
Balance.
Go.
Isa pa. Forward. Go!
Abante.
Okay. Yellow belts. First. Ready? Fight style. Chop. Trap. Oh, going out. Last straight leg. Ready? Go. Right
Go.
now. Going out.
Under chest. Go. Kick.
Straight leg. Straight leg. Go. Straight leg. Straight leg. Go. Forward. Go. Straight leg pa. Straight leg pa.
Go.
Higher pa. Good. Okay. Wait na. Stand up.
White belts. Let's go. Lima, Aya. Stand up.
Okay. 1 up, 1 down, guys. Go.
Forward block. Abante na.
Kaya, lagay mo na dito sa gitna. Maliliit. Dito sa pattern. Okay, ready? Fighting style, shout! Help! Okay. Chase foot. Divide. Yeah. Okay, wala mo ng kick. Knee out lang. Knee out. Knee out lang. Okay, wala mo ng knee out. Right? Walang kick, ha? Knee out lang. Right and left, knee out. Ready? Go!
Go! Yeah, shout!
Okay, go forward with kick. Go. Go, kick forward. Go, higher. Good. Okay, good. Okay, Ren Brown, stand up. Okay, ready. Front kick. Good foot now. Ready. Stationary, 10. Left forward. Ready. Go. Flip. Flip, flip, flip. Flip kasi flip.
Kamay sa lahat,
Flip,
kamay.
flip, flip.
Yan, dikit kamay sa chest.
Flip,
Yan, tigas.
forward. Go.
Yan. Stop, Ray. Stop.
Good. Higher pa. Check your form on the mirror. Check your form. Okay, let's go. Move up.
Next.
Guys, tingin kayo sa salamin para makita niyo yung form nyo. Ha? Ready, 5 stance. Emphasize the flip, ha? Flip leg. Ready? Front kick. 10 times. Ready, go.
Sarado kamay. Elijah, sarado kamay.
Taas. Balance. Walang hop. Stop.
Sarado kamay, Elijah.
Good. Flip. Flip, flip. Ayun, walang flip yung flip mo. Flip mo.
Elijah, kamay mo na. Ganun.
Ready, forward. Go.
Sarado. Yan.
Tingin ka good. Isang more. Huwag niyo ako titignan pag sumisipa. Doon kayo sa salamin. Ay, naku.
Elijah.
Lalo kung pumupogi pagka tinitignan niyo ako. Ay,
Yellow belt.
and what? Go! Guys, front kick, ha? Front kick. With snap. Yeah. Right and left. Ready? Go! Next one. Yeah. Shout.
Shout, baby.
Welcome your body. Contact. Don't jump. You're jumping. Hand it on the floor. Yeah. Snap it.
Stop, Carlos.
Snap. Snap. Walang sa snap. Okay, forward. Go.
Over to Jaja. Yeah, stop.
Good. Nice. Okay, white belt up. Okay.
One line.
At least, tummy level, ha? When you kick, front kick snap. Okay? Kamay sa chest. Alright? Sino mo galing ang front kick? Ikaw, go. Ay, pass up. Alright. Yan, yan.
Isa, let's go.
Okay, o, tignan mo. Pakita mo, isa sa kanila yung front kick. Go. Chop. Yan, snap. Other leg. Yan, see? Nag-kick-clip. Chest level lang. Tummy level lang. Go. Tuloy-tuloy. Go. Right and left. Go. Tummy level. Left foot. Go. Yan. Left foot. Okay. O, sabay kayo kaya, no? Ready? Sabay-sabay. And with chop. Go. Pitik mo dun.
Ikip mo.
Forward. Go. Chop. Stop mo. Okay, sit down. Come here. Okay. Listen. Ready? Sit properly. Front kick. Minsan nakaganon yung front kick, eh. Alright? Pointed. Sometimes naman, ganyan, or flex. Okay? Make sure, ito lang, full foot. Alright? Then make sure, it will flip. Alright? Go, flip. Snap. Alright? Hindi siya stretch kick. You down. That's wrong. Go, kick. Kuha. Okay, one more round. Let's go.
First side.
Combination. Front kick, run house. Ready, set, go.
Front kick. Front kick. Roundhouse. Roundhouse. Front kick.
Go. Wala po sinabing forward.
Roundhouse.
Go. Shout. Shouting. Hindi kayo tapos yan. Hindi ko walang shout. Shout. Go. Okay, forward. Go. Forward. Side body. Side body. Flip, flip, flip. Okay. Lubel. Combination na. Front kick, roundhouse, roundhouse. Alright? Wait. Magaling mag-roundhouse. Ayun, come in. Okay, listen up. Ready for. Okay, parang dito. Ready for. Roundhouse, very important. Point your toe. Nakaside yung body, hindi pwedeng nakaganon kayo pag sumisipa. Nakaside. Alright? Then you clip it. Alright? White belts, listen. After kicking, clip. Okay, down. Other leg, go. Other leg, go.
Roundhouse.
Roundhouse. Go. Roundhouse nga. Go. Snap. Go. Yan. Okay, go. Tuloy-tuloy. Go. Right. Roundhouse. Go. Right to left. Go. One. Shout! Shouting! Kamay! Higit sa kaki! Go! Okay? Nakaside ha? Okay. Parang go! Ayusin na sa ready. Front kick. Okay na. Roundhouse. Make sure on the side. Ready. And go! Side body. Yeah, very good. Kamay na. Tuloy-tuloy. Shouting. Tuloy sa shout. Hindi kayo matatapos yan. Go! 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 Okay, forward. Go!
Kamay, Elijah, sa laban.
Go!
Snap, Roland. Clear.
Yellow belts. Okay, ready.
Carla, stand up.
Come on. Move faster. Go forward, guys. Everybody. Yellow belt. Go forward. Move forward. Okay, magkikit-kit.
Forward. Nice.
Ready, fighting style, shout.
Isa.
Okay, front kick, then roundhouse, face target, dito target, roundhouse. Side your body, pinakita ko na kanina, ha? Then always keep your hands in when kicking. Ready, and go. Front kick, roundhouse. Shout! Shout, front kick, roundhouse, roundhouse. Front kick, roundhouse, roundhouse. Tuloy, shout! Walang shout, hindi kayo matatapos niyan. Go!
Go.
Shouting!
Alright.
Tayo yung kamay. Go! Okay, go forward. Go forward. Okay, white belts, let's go. Ready, fighting form. Okay. Ready. Oh, good morning. Fighting form, shot. Ready. This time, 45 kick naman. Okay, 45 kick. Kami nila 45. Okay. Sample. Mayumi, stand up. Okay, make sure when you do 45. Okay, right. Okay, 45 kick. Then, 45 body on go. Point yourself. Clear. Okay, back in front. Mas kabila. Left. Go. 45. Yeah, okay. Tuloy-tuloy. Go. 45. Shout. Okay, nakaside ha. Hindi siya naka-front. Nakaside yung katawan. Alright? Okay. Alright. Okay, adjust. Adjust. Okay, ready? Everybody, when you start, shout. Ready? 10 times. Right and left. 45 kick. Everybody say 45 kick.
45 kick.
Ready? Go.
Go, 45.
Come on. Right and left.
Yan.
Move forward. Go. Shout.
Go, go, go.
Go. Okay, good. Side Kaya. Go forward na. Go. Shout. Shout. Shout.
Kick.
Okay. Go. First go. Ready. Fighting style. Shot. Okay. Ready. This time. Side kick, hook kick, hook kick. Alright? Sample. Okay, go. Side kick. Stationary na muna. Stationary. Okay, side kick. Shout. Side kick. Full moon kick. Full moon kick. Alright? Ready? And. See, Jack, shout. Pushing the side kick. Go. Go, that's it. Tuloy. Abagal. Clip mo. Go. Good. Tingin diretso. Tingnan niyo yung form sa salamin. Tingin doon. Tingnan niyo kung tama. Go. Go. Okay, forward. Chop. Go. Power side kick. Okay. Full one kick. Go. That's it. Okay, move out. Out. Ready. And. Sample. Side kick. Go. Yeah. Fighting for ka. Lagay mo ng step back. Step back. No. Ready. Ready. Side kick. Side kick. Right and left. Ready, go. Side kick. Side kick. Hook kick. Balance. Hook kick. Ikaw nga. Ikaw. Ikaw. Side kick. Go. Ikaw. Yes. Side kick. Side. Higher. Naku, smiling pa. Higher. Go. Yan. Fighting face. Yan. Yan. Sa likod pa lang galing ha. Sa likod ha. Sa likod. Ready. Set. Yung side kick gusto ko matulis. Face level. Ready. Go. Shout. Body shout. Go. Power. Click. Go. That's it. Power pa. Walang power. Parang nagbabalik lang. Walang balik kick. Yeah. Kick. Nagbalik kick. Go body. Power pa. Go. Forward. Go. Ready, side kick only, side kick. Side kick, ha? Okay, very good. Look. Just level up, side kick. Look at your foot, ganyan lang. Okay? At this ganyan level. Clip and down. Okay lang, go. Yeah, lagyan power. Check your foot, make sure on the side. Alright, o higher naman. Go. Okay, set. Advance. Very important. Huwag masyadong ibababang ganon. Center lang. Alright, look at your foot. Tingin, dun. And clip. Very important. Yan. Alright? Sige, go. Power. This side. Go. 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 Okay. Kita? Palakpak! This side, side down. Chest only. Chest level only. Okay. Ready? And check your foot ha. Tingin doon. Make sure nakaside yung palakpak. Yung palo. Go!
As your chest.
Right and left. Right and left.
Shout. Check.
side kick.
Oo,
Side kick.
yung point ulit.
Ganyan mo, di ba? Hindi ka ganun ba manipong ganun pa? Boom!
Yan! Ganyan! Yan! Okay. Siyang trigger.
Ganun lang.
Kamay, asan yung kamay? Ito sa chest lang. Yan!
O, go. Sila, go. Yan. Okay. Palakpak. Right there. Okay, at least tummy level, okay lang. Side kick. Alright? Ready? Ready stance. And, tignan niyo yung pali kung nakaside na sa mirror. Ready? Forward. Go. Shot. Good. Right and left. Check forward. Good. Right and left. Right and left. Right and left. Go forward.
Higher, kick in front. Go, here in front.
Yan. Go. Side.
Okay.
Check forward. Yo. Okay. Go forward. Go forward. Go. Check. Go forward. Go. Check forward. Check forward. Check forward. Side. Yan ang pangalan niya. Lift. Yan. Check mo yung pamakinig mo. Go. Yan. Okay. Ready? First line. Ready? Final style. Shot. Diyan na. Sampo. Turn 45. Go. Forward. Go forward. Turn 45. Turn runouts. Balance. Chase foot. Turn 45. Turn 45. Turn runouts. Okay, balik. Ikuman. O, sample. Ikoy. Go. Turn 45. Turn 45. Turn runouts. Turn runouts. Okay. Sit down. Okay. From the 30, 45, 54. Listen now. Yung back leg, punta sa harapan. Go. Mia. Yan. Dapat nandito kayo sa unahan. Itong knee. Before you jump. Kaya jump. Yan. Right? Etong nasa likod, punta sa harap. Huwag mo higa ganon. Sa harap. Are you listening? Okay. And go. Okay. Then, runouts. Itatas mo ngayon. Itaas! Taas! Ulit na tatalong mo mataas. Go! Talon mataas, hindi talon lang. Okay. Yeah. Go. And go. Okay. Balance. Okay, ready? Up. Dalawang 30-45, dalawang 30 runouts, ha? Ready? Set. Pwede sa shot! Okay. Kuha nyo na yung format, ha? Ready? Yung knee sa unahan, ha? Ready? 10-45! 10-45! Pass yung knee! Turn runouts! Turn runouts! Shot! Okay, balik! Balik! O, tuloy-tuloy! Tuloy-tuloy! Ready, bounce! Tuloy-tuloy! Chase foot ka yun! One side lang muna. Ready, bounce! And go! Shot! Go! 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 Hilo lang! Go! Balik! O, chase foot! Chase foot! Again, remember the key point. Niya! Sa unahan. And 45. Okay, niya ulit. So, huwag mo dito tatas dito sa unahan. Again, go! Niya! Dito na. Go! Ganito ginagawa ko. Niya ang ganun. Go! Yan! Okay, good. And jump! Side body, side body. Go. Side body, side. Yan. Okay. Oh, ready. Withdraw na. Bounce. Para hindi may ito. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Turn 45. Turn 45. Oh, tagal na mataas. Turn na. yung turn na daw sa talon mataas. O, ready, bounce. Tuloy-tuloy.
Ikot ka muna.
Ready. And chop, chop.
Yan. Ikot ulit.
Okay, wala pa. Okay. Oh, blue belt, out.
Oh, lasing.
Uy, ba't di ka sumasama doon sa...
Oo.
Oh, ikaw lang yung isa. Ikaw, special. Uy, my uniform. Oh, chase foot. 30.5. 30.5. Turn and knocks. Turn and knocks. Okay, walang pa. Ready, go, speed, go, shot. Good. Chase foot. Bounce. 30.5. 30.5. Turn and knocks. Turn and knocks. Okay, very good. Ready, stop. And chase foot. Tuloy-tuloy. Go, stop. Saan ka na papunta? Okay. Saan ka na papunta? Dito ka lang, di ba? Oh. Ito lang yung line mo, magpapunta ka dun. Straight. Ready? Go! Speed! Yan! Stay on the mat! Yan! Okay. Okay. Ready? Fighting stand. Shout! Okay. Oh, stepping side kick. Stepping side kick. Okay. Oh, come on. Ano yan? Okay, cross leg. Yan, side kick. Okay. Stepping side kick, then balik. Balik, go. Stepping side kick. Snap mo. Go, stepping side kick, go. Good. Front release, go. Balik ka doon. Go. Sama ka dito, go leader. Leg kick. Ayan. Ready. Bounce. 5 times. Ready. Go. 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 Chop. Go. Go. Okay, balik. Chase foot. Chase foot. Ready. Mabilis yung snap. Ready. Go. Chop. Go. 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 Okay, good. Ready. Yellow out. Okay, roundhouse stamp, roundhouse kick, bounce. Face target lang, parang 45 feet pero sa buwa. Alright, right and left. Ready? Side yung katawan, ha? Ready, bounce. Scarlet. Ready, sleep, ready form. Ready, stand, shot. Roundhouse kick, and shot, go! Good. Right and left. Play. Good. Okay, good. Nice, shot. Okay, white belt. Stand up. Okay, this time out in kick. Kanina in out, di ba? Ngayon naman papasok. Sampalin nyo ng foot nyo. Okay, 1 out, 1 down. Para hindi kayo magkatamaan.
Forward. Mark, forward.
Forward ka.
Release, forward.
Forward.
Di ba, yun ka.
Okay, ready? Ayan, may instant. Shot. Going inside, ha? O, Jaja, ikaw leader. Pakita mo out kick. Okay. O, ready? Pakita mo. Papunta doon. Out and kick. Shot. Go. Going inside. Going inside. Go. Good. 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 Wow, galing. Okay. Ready, bounce. Ready. Okay, bounce. Yeah. Shot. Go. Pass. Go. Go. Go.
Okay.
Face target. Balance. Ready. Mas mataas doon. Sa mukha. Face level nyo dapat. Face level nyo. Kaya. Fighting stand. Ciao. Okay. Forward kayo dalawang big boys. Forward ka.
Mark,
Ready.
forward.
Shout ha. Gusto marinig yung shout. Ready. Go. Higher. Bumse. Water break naman sila. Wala pa kayo water break? O, chalit wala. Chalit. Wala pa kayo water break? O, sorry ha. Chalit. Jumne. Water break. Sorry.
Dehydrated na. Anong gagawin sa Maiden? Oh my. Sa'yo.
Sakit ng lips ko. Excuse me. Naman ko
Okay, water break. Sit down. Ready ba muna?
Ouch.
Blue belt, yellow belt this time.
Yellow belt, white belt guys.
Okay, sit down kayo dyan sa akin area. Okay guys, one up and down. Sit properly. Cross leg. Cross leg. Sit properly. Okay. Start with type of 5. 3. Type of 5. Without count. Ready. See. Jump. Sino kapag magpe-fail?
Cody, tsaka si Jana, wala sa Enzo eh.
So, first Enzo. You know, para mabilis laban ang dobo, lagay nyo lang sa downy. Hindi planggana, lagay sa downy. Kaya maglaban ng dobo. Sampay nyo, kapapanahon nyo yun. Ha? Yung dobo, hindi naman yan, nadudubihan eh. Pawis lang eh. Downy lang, tapos landawan nyo. Life skills yan ha. O, Jubi, matuto kayo maglaban ng on your dobo ha? Jubi, tayo group 5, tayo group 7. See, jump! Like 3. Ayun. Panang pantang. Brother, panang pantang. Ayun. Jumle. Jumbi. Like 3. Without count. Come on, stay there. Without count, focus like 3. See, jump. Power. Sabay sa leader. Good. That's it. Good. up. Neta ba? Ano, lagyan mo natin. Okay. At the back, up blue belts. Straight line. White belt, dito ka sa una. Dito ka sa una.
White belt.
Yellow belt, one straight line kayo dyan. At the back. Stay in front.
Levi, come here in front. Saka release. Faster. In front. Sit down in front.
Okay. Good go.
Red. Yung red. Should be. I go one. Wait ka. 1,
Right,
2,
power.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Right,
10, 1, 2,
power pa. Hit higher.
walking stance lang yan, walking stance. Diretso
Hindi mo
tuloy.
power yung
3, 4, 5, left, 6. Paro.
Yellow belt.
Turn. Camera.
Okay, yung i-move sa last part yung back leg. Yung nasa likod. Alright? So, shot, di ba? Cha! Back leg. Alright, without count. To me.
Ready? See. Jump. Follow the rhythm.
May babalik kami sa yellow belt eh. Naku, pinalimutan natin type 1. Memorize!
Left. Left. Paro.
Okay, blue belt. Yellow belt, sit down. White belt, tawa.
White belts. Up, 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 up. Follow.
Okay, follow the high belts. Big count, position for 1.
Turn.
Kaya, kami. Run faster.
First time. Atlas kayo master.
Memorize your position for 1, ha?
Ready? Yung red.
Preparation.
Should be. Foundation form 1 with count. Prepare. Left arm above. 1. A. 2. Prepare. Right arm above. Turn 3. Step faster. A. Angat. 4. Prepare. Left arm above. 5. Middle. A. 6. Push. 7. Push. 8. Push up. Prepare. Left arm above. 9. Cross legs. Turn. No block. Change foot iris. A. 10. Prepare. Right arm above. 11. Step back. Turn. No block. A. 12. Push. Prepare. Left arm above. Change foot Levi. Going back to the middle. 13. No block. A. 14. Push. 15. Push. 16. Push up. Levi. Change foot. Prepare. Left arm above. 17. Cross legs. Turn. No block. A. 18. Push. Change foot Johan. Prepare. Right arm above. 19. Step back. Turn. No block. A. 20. Push. Rochelle. Baro. Turn.
Okay. Everybody here. Sit down. Okay. So very important. Okay. Okay? So, we're doing it the forms with purpose. Anong purpose ng full set? Okay? It's a self-defense. Right? So, when you block, okay, make sure you have power. When you kick, make sure it's not. Alright? So, yung pag nagpupungsi tayo, don't look down. Always look straight. Don't look down. Okay? Then stances, make sure this one, hindi siya tumatas na gano'n. Laging flat. Straight. Alright? So like that, if you have time, pag di pa nag-start yung class, you review para ma-develop pa yung skills nyo. Then, there are 2 forms on your belt. 1 and 2. You must master first the foundation from 1. Then, the competition team, you must memorize all. I hope 1, 3, 5, 7 for you. Alright? Then always do your stretching at home. Okay? Mga limbering, ganyan, forward, bending, back, lunges, ganyan, tapos kicking. Okay? Especially this one, push up, wide, diamond, midfield. Alright? Develop your punching power. Naintindihan? Okay? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pauline.
Back to line, original line.
Starting line.
Faster.
Okay. Sino yung mga medal? Okay, sit down. Galing yung medal niya? What's your medal? So we have a overall champion.
Okay. I don't have to jump. I'm not
Okay.
Support the video.
Gold medal first. Sino yung gold medal? Okay. Hawak. Sit down. Malakpan naman yung team. Ang gold medal muna. Gold medal.
Ang galing natin. Ang galing natin.
Sino ang gold medal? Ayan. Ayan muna. Gold medal. Yun. Ayan. Sexy pa yun to. Sexy. Pwede medal. Ako na mga kapatid.
1, 2, 3.
Kapatid isang driver ng sa inyo. Fighting. Ganon. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Okay, palakpak sa gold medal. Okay. Silver medal.
Dito, lapit, faster.
Silver medal. Where's your medal?
Hold your medals.
Sige na, guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. Oh, palakpak sa silver medal! Mas medalist! Go! Palakpak!
Hold your medals. Angat. Okay.
Okay. Okay, palakpak! O, dito na ang medalist! Gold medalist! Stand up! Gold medalist!
Sit down kayo. Sit down, sit
Sit down
down.
in front of this medalist. Tapos,
Harap kayo. Yan.
Silver.
Silver.
Silver. Yeah. Sa gitna kayo. Yeah.
Yan.
Alright.
Angat, ah.
Ito ay silver sa gitna. Kneel down lang. Yeah. Then cross leg lang kayo. Sila yung naka-kneel down. Cross leg kayo guys. Cross leg. Kayo naka-kneel down. Silver medalist. Tapos dito kayo. Okay, go.
Oh, ready.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, palakpak! Okay. Sit down. Okay. So, I'm encouraging the white belt to get your promotion to the next competition. Yellow belt has joined in the other. Hindi naka-join. Alright? So, we have a plenty of competition. Okay? So, we have to train hard. No absent. Yung body nyo, patakan nyo, ha? Okay? Para lagi tayo nasa champion position. Intindihan?
Then guys, you already know yung mga kailangan nyo i-correct, yung mga mistakes nyo. Please, practice, ha? Practice hard. So, sa mga nag-bronze, okay, there's a reason bakit tayo natalo. Kulang sa power, kulang tayo sa taas sa sipa, yung ball foot. So, we need to improve that. So, you practice that. So, understood. Okay, so we have our next competition on June 8. Okay, so June 8, please, okay, register na kasi magpunan mo na naman masasaladuan na naman tayo.
Yes, okay, Kamanama, join also.
Yes, ang venue sa Nova Desi. Okay.
Alright, okay, finish.
Everybody, turn it. Turn it. Kumigay, turn it. Well. Turn it, what's the bigger? Turn it.
Samida! Samida! Okay, dito lang. Dito sa line. Medalist. Alikod kayo. Yeah, white pants on hand, cross leg.
Go.
Take rest of cross leg. Sit down. Face there. Face there. Cross leg. Cross leg. Sit down. Okay, ganyan. Buka na lang isa pa. Okay, cross leg.
Cross leg. Closer. Very
Kami niya nagdadaan. Ayan, yan na si Ma'am Lanisa. Okay, let's go.
Give it space.
Space. Yan. Okay, go. Number one.
Number one, di ba ba?
1, 2, 3. Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, video. Ready, video. Ready. Anak. Go.
Oy, Joseph! May training ka bukas?
Yan na, picture please. Gold medalist. Yung mga gold medalist. Gold medalist. Nasa mga gold medalist? Wala na, uwi na kayo.
Lexi!
Lexi, ano ka ba?
Bronze po. Lexi!
Ay, ano? Ay, pwede ba? Ay, kabila pa.
Kita lang.
Matagal pa yung trophy.
Okay. Okay na po.
Paldo! Mas paldo na
Go work it.
Sino yun? Sige, ito ba natin?
Madali taekwondo din eh. Yellow belt yun, di ba? Bakit siya
Ano
training?
yun, master sa GH? Tingko siya.
Ah. Gala, namatay.